So, magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito, pag-usapan natin kabola itong nakakagimbal na announcement or news kabola about the Bay Area Dragons. And then let's look back actually and give you our fairest deal na pwedeng gawin pa ng Blackwater, TNT at saka ng NLEX. Kung hindi pa nakasubscribe kabola, bakit hindi ko mag-pay subscription po? So, hindi nyo pa po nababalitaan. Alala nyo naman siguro yung Bay Area Dragons. Ito po yung team na nagpahirap po sa Barangay Ginebra, dun po sa Commissioner's Cup Kabola. Naalala nyo naman po siguro na sila po ay ang team po actually ng owner po ng EASL o ng East Asia Super League, kung saan sasali po ang TNT at saka ang Ginebra Kabola. Ito po ay liga kung saan around 8 teams po from different countries in Asia will compete with home and away format. Now, last Friday lang po, out of nowhere, kinausap daw po ng management ng team, ang mga players, ang mga staff, and they told the team na i-terminate na po yung contract. Ang rason daw is financial issues, kabola. So, talaga nakakagulantang ang mga nangyayari o itong decision na ito, kabola, kasi kaka-announce lang eh. Wala pa nga isang week na sila po yung merong 5 bagong players at mga bigatin po yung mga players po nito. Actually, yung mga players po nila in contract is of course mga bigatin din po na players. So talagang shocking itong announcement po bigla na sila po ay magdi-disband na. Unfortunately for the PBA, of course, dahil shocking nga po yung news, eh wala pa po silang alam kung paano na po yung supposed na participation po ng Bay Area Dragons ngayon dito po sa paparating na Commissioner's Cup. Eh, in a way, diba? Sila nga yung isa sa mga attraction sana dito paparating na Commissioner's Cup. And mukhang hindi na, of course, matutuloy yan kasi nga nag-disband na po sila kabola. Unless may plano po yung ESL or may plan B na ibang squad na ipapasali na ibang management yung nagmamanage. Pero overall, what we can expect now yung Commissioner's Cup natin, malamang wala pong foreign team dyan, which is of course nakakalungkot, di ba? Kasi nga sobrang ganda ng naidagdag po ng Bay Area Dragons sa PBA. Now, if you remember kabola, yung TNT Blackwater at saka NLEX, may rumor nga po na gusto nang makuha ng TNT si Brandon Roser. Kabola, nakalit din na sa NLEX. Now, we already talk about the realistic and the worst potential trade po between the three. Now, I will give you the fairest one. And here's the deal. TNT will get Roser, Blackwater will get Castro, Cabuntin, Eram, Magneto, then NLEX will give up Paseramer, Dave Marcelo, and will get also the number 2 pick, Kabola. So, sa palinggo dito, of course, 3 teams yan. Yung TNT, they give up their legend, Castro, then of course, their current starting center, but will be injured, JP Eram, then Glenn Cabuntin, Dave Marcelo, to get Brandon Roser. In a way, trade value-wise, baka lumalamang pa rin sila, kabola, especially if you already assess Eram as too injury-prone for his own good. And of course, Castro as near-retirement type of player, kabola. While Blackwater, they will give up the number 2 pick, pero at the very least, they will now get veteran Jason Castro, who can still be their main point guard, Glenn Cabuntin, who can be a starting caliber forward, and then that young Magneto, who can they develop to be their future starting guard, kabola. So si Magneto. While NLEX, of course, they give up Roser, pero babalik naman sa kanila yung number 2 pick. They can get someone again there na matindi, and they will also get closer in Paseramer and a reliable big man in Dave Marcelo. So ito ating fair deal. Ano sa palagay mo kabola? Sino panalo sa deal na to? Comment lang po sa baba.